Yeah, I'm sure he looks shaggy. Oh, your head's cold. Meanie.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And usually Irene's behind the camera, but she's going to stay here with Jack. I'm going up to the greenhouse. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what's going on that gardening experiment I'm running. So, we'll get going.
Sounds like a plan. I actually need to fertilize out there again.
It's a balmy 46 degrees outside today. It was 18 this morning. We have a little bit of wind, which makes things seem a little colder. But that's life. Ah, it's warm in here. Now this is why I suggest that you start gardening, if you're a new gardener, with some radishes and some spinach. These are both quick crops. If you like them, that's great. But if you don't, you can find somebody who will like them. These radishes were planted about 8 days ago. You can see that they've come out pretty well. In the planting show, I talked about this gap between the pot and the soil. Now, this soil is damp enough. Irene's going to be in fertilizing the rest of what's in the greenhouse. But these plants aren't going to require any nutrition beyond what's already in that soil for some time. We'll probably wait a week or so and then give it a shot of nitrogen, because these are really, really heavy feeders. We run this fan pretty much all the time. Ventilation is really important in the greenhouse, even when it gets really cold. It's really a pastime for me to get this reservoir leveled out so that I can get the new hydroponic setup done in the next couple of weeks, because we need to start planting things. Well, thanks for watching. We'll have more coming. But I wanted to give you a really quick update on how the radishes and spinach are doing. It's pretty easy to get started. All you need is some soil, a pot, and some seeds. Not a lot of money, not a lot of time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And hit the bell for our notifications, because we're going to continue doing a lot of stuff here. We'll talk with you later. Bye. I'll be burning as soon as the wind dies down.
Right. Well, I figure maybe this weekend. The weather's supposed to be okay, I think. And if we could do it fairly early in the morning. Let's go! Was that good, Jack? Good job.